In this video, we will learn how to iterate map entries efficiently in Java. We will see several examples of implementation of iterate the entries of map. First, in main function, I will create a map object of integer type. Name it map, new hash map, and integer and integer. And I will add few entries to map.put, and 1 and 100, and map.put, and 2 and 200, and map.put 3 and 300. That's key value pair. First implementation will be using iterator with map entry. So it's going to be like this: iterator, and then map dot entry integer integer, and I will name it, and then map dot entry set, and iterator. We will get iterator. This is entry dot iterator. Here we are getting iterator with map entry, and now can use while loop to iterate. It has next, and I will also have a variable where I can save the sum of the values in a hash map over here. Now in while loop, I will get map entry, and call it entry by calling iterator's next method. And now I will have sum add to a sum by this entry dot get key plus entry dot get value. So over here we will keep adding the key and value of our map into some variable. The second implementation will be using for loop with map entry. So here we can do this for and map dot entry integer integer and entry 2, and then our map dot entry set to get our entry set, and inside the loop we can add to sum, or we are doing here too, so I will use sum 2, and do sum 2 and it will be our entry to dot get key. In the same way, we will get the value entry to dot get value. So this is our second implementation. I'll just comment over here. Now this one is add sign. Second, I will just initialize all to 0. And now I'm going to use the third implementation using map dot for each. It works for Java 8 plus version. So I'm just going to use map dot for each for key and value sum. I will name it sum3. Sum 3 to 0. Sum 4 equals 0. Sum 5 equals to 0. I'll come back to these if you need more. So sum 3 index 0 equals key plus value. Why don't this one over here? Here I need to change the sum 3. I will remove it from here and set it to long sum and array and initialize it to 0. And then we can go, this name is sum3 and can go back to down. Yeah. In the fourth implementation, I will use map key set with for each loop. So it will be for integer key map dot key set to get us a set back of keys, and then add in our sum variable the key plus map that dot get function by passing in the key. So we get key and value and add it to our sum variable. And in our fifth implementation, I will use maps key set with iterator. So iterator, and it will be of integer type, integer, and it2, and map dot key set and iterator. Now we can use while loop to iterate. It has next integer over here is missing. And now save in integer key, integer key by calling iterators next, next. This will be sum 4, or else the more value, key and value will be added here. So we need a separate variable because we already used the sum in above code. So I just come over here, and now for sum 5, add to sum 5 key plus map dot get by passing in key. So we get value and key and value added to sum. Need to close this, if not already done so. And this is the 5th implementation. Now we can do our 6th. In the 6th implementation, I will use for each with iterator and map entry. So for iterator map entry of integer and integer. So we are getting iterator of map entry, which has integer and integer, and I will name it entries. And we can use map dot entry set, then iterator and entries has next until we have entries. We can loop through. And then get the map entry. Entries. There's extra R here. And map dot entry of integer and integer, and I'll name it entry by calling entries next. Entries next. Now add to our sum 6. I will declare it over here. Sum 6. I think so. I have not done in above code, so I'm just gonna declare it over here and add to sum 6 entry get key and entry dot get value. So this is another way to iterate and add the sum of this hash map to our variable sum 6. You can also use strings for each in this way. This is 7th implementation. 7th. So that will be map dot entry set dot stream, and then for each and into our sum 7. So I will name it sum 7. Sum 7. And add it to key and value. E dot key and plus E dot value.
This will also work for version Java's 8 plus. So these are few different ways to iterate over map entries efficiently. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.